Hey everyone, welcome back. I think you're in for a treat today. I think we're all in for a treat today. If you've been following along, you know that we picked up an UniPro wood-fired pizza oven. And it's fantastic for pizza, absolutely fantastic for pizza. But what can you use it for beyond pizza? And there are cuisines around the world that really take advantage of all of the aspects that the UniPro brings to the table. High heat, closed environment, smoky, kissed with flame. And the obvious thing that my brain goes to is Indian cuisine that works around the tandoor. I have no real background in cooking Indian food, but I think a lot of those flavors would really work. So today, I thought I'd try cauliflower. Amazing. Here's how I made it. And so I started out by making a marinade, yogurt. Then I added turmeric, chaat masala, salt, ground cumin, garam masala, Kashmiri chili powder, mustard oil, grated ginger. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe now and smash that notification bell so you find out about our new videos as soon as they come out. And the juice from 2 lemons. And so I mixed that all together, and then I cut up a head of cauliflower, and I left the florets fairly large. Mixed the cauliflower into the marinade. And then set that aside for a couple of hours just to let the marinade soak in completely. Just before I was ready to cook this, I fired up the UniPro, and today we're using charcoal with a little bit of hardwood to give some flame. Once the uni was up to temperature, I put the cauliflower into a cast iron pan and then stuck that in the oven. Keep a close eye on it because it will cook extremely quickly. Every once in a while, pull the pan out, give it a stir, shake it up a little bit, and then stick it back in. And that's pretty much it. This is a fantastic side dish if you're making a chicken tikka or a chicken tikka masala or any other sort of grilled meat. This is the first time I've made it. I think for my own personal taste, I would dial back the hot chili powder just a little bit to balance out all of the flavors. But otherwise, this has an amazing group of flavors going on in here. And you could do this in your home oven. You gotta crank it up as high as it'll go. Because the uni was cranking out at about 400 degrees Celsius, which is, I don't know, 700 degrees Fahrenheit. Most home ovens only get to about 5 or 550. So you need really high heat to make this work to get that charred flavor. I'm gonna keep working on this. So this recipe may come up again and again as I sort of narrow it and refine it, but I think this is a great starting point. Give it a try, see what you think, and then narrow it down. And also, if this is something that you make or your family makes, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think so that I can improve my dish. Thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you again soon.